Hi guys, Joyaditya here from Freaks and Geeks, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Flyme OS, that is Mizu. You have heard of the company, I guess. Mizu's own OS, Flyme OS, that you might have seen on the Mizu M2 Note or the M3 Note, etc. So Flyme OS is definitely one of the most stable ROMs that I have encountered till date, and today I'm going to show you how you can install that. So first of all, what you need to make sure is that your device is rooted and you have a custom recovery like TWRP recovery or CWM recovery installed on your device. Secondly, you need to go to the download section below, and that is check the description box and do download the ROM. You do not have to download any kind of GApps package, neither do you have to flash it, because if you do so, the ROM will not boot at all. The settings will keep on crashing. I'm going to show you how you can install Google Apps as well as a ROM on a yuphoria. First, download the zip file from the description box below, move it to your micro SD card or your internal storage. Then power off your device and press the power button and the volume down button together. Now your device will boot into TWRP recovery. That is, I have installed TWRP. You can do it with custom recovery like CWM recovery as well. Okay, so once your device is booted into TWRP recovery, I recommend to back up your current ROM, because one of my friends didn't back up, and it was not the yuphoria but it was the Galaxy Tab 3, and he tried to install one ROM and it didn't get installed, and so he couldn't get back his original software. So definitely hit backup and all thing, and do not back up cache, not needed. So just swipe to backup and then go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik system, data and cache. Swipe to wipe. I'm not going to do that, as you know, because I have been checking out this ROM for a few days. Next, go to install and select the folder or the place where you have saved your file, that is the zip file. I have saved it in micro SD card in files. So here you can say Flyme. I'm going to give the link of this ROM in the description box below, so do check it out and swipe to confirm flash. After you have successfully flashed this device, I need to mention this, that there is some problem with the kernel, but if it does not flash the first time, try the second time, it will definitely flash. I can guarantee you this. After you have done flashing it, just hit reboot and system. So after hitting reboot and system, it will reboot your device into Flyme OS. After you have set up the device, the first boot will take a few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes I guess. I'll be back with you after you have set up the device, and will show you how you can install Google Apps in Flyme OS. Do not install or do not flash GApps. I'll show you how you can install. See you on the other side of the video. After you're done setting up the device, the lock screen will look something like this. It's one of the stablest ROM I've ever encountered, believe me guys. So okay, so after you boot on, this will first show you, and you will not get Play Store installed. I have installed it just now. So let's just go to App Store, and I'm going to show you how you can install Google Services, Google Play Store and Google Framework on your device. Once you're in App Store, go to the search button and just type Google Installer. Okay, and you need to download the first app that comes on your list. The first app, this app. Okay, so as you can see, it's written in Chinese. I cannot understand anything. So I have already downloaded it, so it's showing me open, but for your case it will show install. Just open, after installing, just open it and see. I have already downloaded all these things, and that's why it's showing uninstall, but for your case it will show install. Okay, so after you install this, it will install all the Google Framework, Google Service, Play Store, etc. on your device. After that, I'll recommend that you go into Play Store. It will take a bit of time because I need to sign in to my Google account. So let's just see. Okay, so I need to sign in. Okay, I'll be back guys, just hold on a second. Okay, I'll definitely suggest you to change the keyboard immediately you get it, because it's an irritating keyboard. Please do so guys, and accept. And now you can see it's checking info. And okay, Google Calendar will keep stopping guys, don't worry about that. Sync, allow sync. Okay, next, allow. Give all the permissions, otherwise Google Play Store will not work. Okay, we are in Google Play Store, as you can see. Just go into settings. I would suggest just go into settings and just update the version of Google Play Store. Just update it. otherwise you might encounter problems while downloading apps. Okay, so guys, I have been using this ROM for about a week, more than a week, about 2 weeks now. So I am compelled to say that this is one of the most stable ROM that I've ever encountered in my life. Though it has some bloatware in it, as you can see, it does come with some Flyme tools, but these are also quite useful. I will not say this as bloatware because I said in my MIUI video that it's one of the stablest ROM that I've ever encountered, but after downloading this ROM, I can definitely say that this is one of the most smoothest ROM that I've ever encountered in my life on the yuphoria. It's better than CM13 as well as CM14, which I'm currently going to try out after this. Hopefully I can make a video on that. And so let me show you, this is everything is working, guys. Let me show you the dialer. Okay, let's just call, whatever. Okay, let's just call. Okay, let's just call. Okay, let me show you guys. So you can see that mobile network is working on this device, and this ROM is based on, the only disappointment is that this ROM is based on Android 5.1.1 Lollipop and not on Marshmallow. But that really doesn't come into play this, because this ROM is perhaps one of the most stable ROM that I've ever encountered in my entire life. Sorry. Okay, let's just check out the camera. Okay, the funniest thing about this camera is that you will get a lot of modes here, but none of the modes will work. Let me show you. Let us try out maroon. See, it's not working. It's actually not working. So I'll suggest you, and video recording will work, but just do not go into video settings, otherwise the camera will stop. It records in 720p default. Okay, let's just check out the camera. Okay, focusing was quite fast, I must say. Okay, and let's just check check our picture. Okay, looks pretty decent. Camera keeps on crashing, guys, but it does work. And music doesn't work, guys. If you want to play local music, it will not work. Let me show you. Here you can see local, and see, it stops. Music player doesn't work, and everything pretty much works. And Google Play Store also works, so no worries about that. So yeah, that's it now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Do share this video with your friends, and if you have some constructive criticism, do leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to reply to your queries. And second of all, that one of the most common question that I've been getting these days, guys, that if this ROM or any other ROM supports VoLTE or not. No, guys, there has been not released any patch for the yuphoria for supporting VoLTE. I know you guys are excited for Reliance Jio, but can't really help it, guys. VoLTE is not yet released for yuphoria, or any kind of ROM has not been released for supporting VoLTE. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.